In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the ChatGPT too many redirects error. If you've been trying to use ChatGPT and keep getting stuck in a redirect loop, or you see a message saying too many requests, don't worry. These issues are usually temporary and can often be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. I'll walk you through what to do, why these problems happen, and how to get things working again. Let's jump right in with some browser cleanup, because this is one of the most common fixes. The first step you should take is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old website data can sometimes conflict with the current login sessions, which may trigger those redirect errors you're experiencing. To do this, head to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Be sure to select both the cache and cookies, then confirm. Once that's done, refresh the page, or, to be thorough, restart your browser completely. This helps load a clean session and can remove any stuck behavior from your previous attempt. If you're still encountering the issue, the next step is to try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. This is useful because incognito mode temporarily ignores a lot of stored browser data. It can help you determine whether the problem is being caused by cookies, extensions, or perhaps another local browser issue altogether. Another important aspect to consider is making sure your browser is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser may struggle to handle sessions properly, which can result in login conflicts or those pesky repeated redirects. So take a moment to check for updates and install any that are available. Now that we've addressed browser issues, let's shift our focus to potential login and network-related issues. A simple yet effective step is to sign out of your account and then sign back in. This action refreshes your login session and can help fix problems caused by expired or corrupted authentication data. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, it's a good idea to disable them temporarily too. Some VPNs, privacy tools, or even script blocking extensions might interfere with how the site loads or how your login requests are processed. If you're still having trouble, consider switching to a different internet connection. For instance, if you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or connecting to another network altogether. This can sometimes resolve routing or access issues that might be causing the errors. It's also wise to check if the service itself is experiencing any temporary issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all, but rather with the platform. A quick visit to social media or forums might reveal if others are having the same issue. Now let's talk about the too many requests error. This usually means that you've hit a temporary rate limit set by the system. The best first step here is to simply wait a few minutes before sending new requests. It's best to avoid submitting lots of prompts quickly or repeating the same request over and over, as this can prolong the limit. If your conversation has become quite lengthy, consider starting a new chat. Long conversation threads can sometimes behave less reliably, and breaking things up might help. Lastly, if you've reached a usage limit, just refresh the page and try again later. In most cases, these steps will solve the problem and get ChatGPT working normally for you again. So there you have it. Follow these troubleshooting steps and you'll be back on track with ChatGPT in no time. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and good luck!